If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, welcome back to Homestyle Fusion. Vizag is one of the best places for vacation and is a beautiful picturesque city. Vizag, also known as Vishakhapatnam, is a port city in the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. It is known for its many beaches. But there are other attractive places too that should be visited in and around Vizag. Let me take you to few places. Borra Caves, one of the major tourist places that attract huge number of people. It is also called Borra Guhalu and is located in the hills of Araku Valley of Vizag, and bamboo chicken is very famous here. These are the largest caves in India, and it is believed that Borra Caves are 150 million years old. These beautiful caves are a visual treat to the tourists and were discovered by a British geologist, William King George, with the help of tribals here. There are several beliefs behind the discovery of these caves. One popular belief is that these caves were discovered when a cowherd, while searching for his lost cow, came across this place. These caves were formed as a result of the flow of Gosthani river on the limestone deposits, and therefore one can find amazing stone formations here, such as Shiva Parvati, Rishi's beard, mother-child, tiger and cow's udder. These caves are mainly inhabited by the bats. Kailasagiri. It is a hilltop park and is a great view place from where entire Vizag along with beaches can be seen. The to-and-fro ropeway ride gives an amazing view of the city. This is a good place to spend with family. The major attraction of the park is the big statues of Lord Shiva and Parvati, which will give you a spiritual reason to visit the place. There is an enjoyable toy train and many fun activities for kids. With enchanting panoramic sea view, Kailasagiri is really an outstanding tourist spot. Araku is a beautiful hill station which is as popular as the beaches of Vizag. The place is enchanted with thick green forests, beautiful waterfalls, rich landscape and wonderful weather. One can enjoy the beautiful sceneries, viewpoints while riding through the way to Araku. It is a famous destination attracting nature lovers. Araku Valley is mainly inhabited by tribals, and the Tribal Museum is one of the main attractions which should not be missed. The museum depicts the lifestyle of tribal people here. You can also find exhibition of several tribal handicrafts and artifacts inside the museum and do shopping. The best time to visit Araku is in the winter season from December to February. The INS Kursura. The submarine museum is at RK Beach Road and is the first submarine to be converted into a museum in the Asia and second in the world. The museum depicts the milestones of the evolution of submarine through photographs and written scripts. The museum showcases the life inside a submarine and hardships faced by the submariners in the sea. It is the same class of submarine that is depicted in the film Ghazi Attack. Various parts of the submarine like radar room, sonar room, control room and the weapons used during war are in display in this museum. With its great history and uniqueness, this museum provides knowledge and motivates young people to be part of Indian Navy. The museum is a matter of pride for all of us. RK Beach and the road along its stretch is the most happening place in Vizag, with various parks, statues and many. Also, the celebrations of Vishaka Utsav, which is a 3-day fest that takes place every year on the eve of New Year. A spectacular view and delightful experience. There are few famous temples around Vizag. Simhachalam, where Lord Vishnu is worshipped as Varaha Narasimha Swami. Annavaram, located on Ratnagiri Hills, is a temple dedicated to Satyanarayana Swami. Ramanarayana, a beautiful and a unique temple with vast area, is located in Vijayanagaram. It is designed in the shape of a bow and arrow and based on the theme of epic Ramayana. The best time to visit this place is the evening time. That is when the place glows with lights and will be a great feast to eyes to watch. So add Vizag in your trip list and do visit. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.